Here I have OPPO F9 Pro, and let me show you how to speed up this device. So let me show you how to boost the system on the following device. So all you need to do is just find here and select the phone manager right here, and let's use here the following key, optimize. Just wait for the scanning. Now you can tap optimize just by clicking that key, and let's use the one-touch optimization. As you can see here, you will clean some memory, you will erase the junk files, you will uninstall the residuals, you will also use the security protection. So let's just use one-touch optimization. And that's it, just optimize your system so you can now use your device in a better way. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.